lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet caps designs ideas that are perfect for any season. Hope so you like this video and different collections, so please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please watch this video till end without skip. You see in this video many different type of babies and ladies caps designs ideas, from bunnies to starch hat. We will go our covered crochet caps designs ideas. Check out these stylish designs that can you customize to fit your style and size. Hope you like this different pattern and different full detail videos. So please tell me in comment section if you want to explain full DIY tutorial. So tell me in comment section. We will show you how to crochet a beautiful texture using yarn and hooks and different stitches. Plus got tip on how to customize these beautiful and pom-pom, cuff, brim and different accessories to fit your perfect size. You can also add some personal touch like crochet work baby caps decor with the help of different crochet work flowers, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, different cartoon character shapes and different googly eyes, nose and ear. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please visit my YouTube channel, and as a bonus we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful and comfortable crochet cap designs ideas. And the best part, you can wear these crochet caps with anything. Pair it with a crochet cozy sweater, leather jacket or flory dress for a chic and comfort look. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detail videos and more ideas. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. Happy hooking, and we will see you in the next video. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.